In the digital marketing world, Google App Ads is a powerful advertising solution designed to help businesses promote their mobile applications across Google's vast network. Unlike traditional Google Ads campaigns, which require manual ad creation, Google App Ads, formerly known as Universal App Campaigns, leverage machine learning to automatically generate and optimize ads for maximum performance. Google App Ads operate differently from standard Google Ad campaigns. Instead of designing individual ads, advertisers provide Google with basic elements such as ad texts, images, and videos. Then, Google uses its machine learning algorithms to create and test multiple ad variations across its network, including Google Search Network, Google Play Store, YouTube, Google Display Network, and Google Discover and Gmail. Automated optimization is the number one benefit of Google App Ads. Google's AI continuously tests different combination of ad creatives, bids, and placements to optimize performance. And moreover, automated optimization leads to another benefit of Google App Ads, performance-based targeting. This type of campaign focuses on specific goals such as app installs, in-app actions, or return on ad spend, helping advertisers maximize their results. Last but not least, easy setup. Advertisers only need to provide assets, set a budget, and define a goal. This makes campaign management very simple. Google App Ads support different campaign goals depending on the advertiser's objective. You can create app install campaigns, which focuses on driving new downloads and attracting new users. You can create app engagement campaigns, which are designed to re-engage existing users and encourage in-app actions such as purchases or sign-ups. Or you can create app pre-registration campaigns, which are available only for Android apps, and this type of ad allow users to pre-register before the official launch. To maximize the success of Google App Ads, you can consider these steps. You need to provide high quality creative assets. You need to use engaging images, videos, and ad copy that appeal to your target audience. You need to define clear goals and set specific objectives such as increasing installs or driving in-app purchases. You need to also optimize your app store listings. You need to ensure that your app store page has compelling descriptions, relevant keywords, and positive reviews, and etc. You need to test and analyze performance. This is a must for all Google campaign types, all PPC campaign types. You need to regularly review campaign data and make necessary adjustments to improve results. Last but not least, you need to leverage audience targeting. Utilize Google's targeting features to reach high intent users who are likely to engage with your app. Yes, while Google App Ads offer many advantages, they also come with certain drawbacks. The number one is limited control over ad placements. Google's automated system decides where ads appear, which can sometimes lead to placements in less relevant or lower quality locations. There are creative restrictions too. Advertisers cannot fully customize ad formats as Google automatically generates combinations based on the assets provided. And the competition is high and therefore costs. Due to automation bidding, advertisers may face high cost, especially in competitive app categories, and you have limited keyword targeting. Unlike traditional search campaigns, advertisers cannot manually select keywords, making it harder to target specific user intents. On and all, Google App Ads is an essential tool for mobile app marketers looking to scale their user base efficiently. By using the power of machine learning and automation, this ad format simplifies the process of app promotion while maximizing return on investment. And as you always know, success requires a strategic approach, continuous learning, and regular optimization. With the right planning and execution, Google App Ads can be a game changer in your digital marketing strategy. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and follow us for more videos like this. See you in the next one.